Welcome to Hitachi India's insightful podcast series, The Sustainability Mindset. Today, we're honored to have Abhijit Chatterjee, General Manager, Social Innovation Business, Hitachi India. So Abhijit, across all industries, organizations are actively seeking to adopt digital technologies to contribute to climate sustainability. Can you share your insights on how digitalization can contribute to net zero transition?
Thank you, Gaurav. We at Hitachi India feel that digital technologies are going to be the backbone of a net zero emission future. Digitization is being adopted by industries at varied speeds, and we see different solutions being adopted. And we feel that this is one of the key levers that industries can use to quickly and effectively reduce their carbon footprint. We at Hitachi are seeing different technologies such as artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT platforms, blockchain being used at different levels in industries, which are leading to more efficient utilization of resources and building a sustainable future across businesses. Again, let me explain how we are looking at this in Hitachi. Digital technologies are helping us to look at data and process it more efficiently. They are helping us to find and predict future problems and at the same time build virtual solutions in real time. Digital technologies are helping us to increase our efficiencies, automate processes, and also this leads to effective and optimum utilization of resources. And lastly, but not the least, digital technologies are enabling industries to effectively adopt circularity. What this means, it's enabling them to share resources, tackle recycling at the end of life, and as well as share and resources amongst the different industries.
So these are great insights, Abhijit. How is Hitachi India harnessing its digital prowess to contribute towards building a decarbonized society?
We are powering carbon neutral energy systems through digital transformation, integration of renewable services, and industrial IoT platforms for real-time monitoring and asset performance. We are enabling low carbon mobility infrastructure through integrated rail technologies such as digital signaling and traffic control and monitoring systems. Our energy management systems are enabling new business models such as energy as a service, as well as new products like battery energy storage systems and decentralized energy resources. When we look at the electric mobility space, our smart battery and charging management systems are enabling optimum deployment of electric vehicles across fleet operators. When we talk about building a sustainable society and getting these digital solutions into the grassroots, we have solutions such as e-healthcare, e-learning and e-governance that are really contributing to building a sustainable society. Finally, also talking about smart cities and smart infrastructure, there are several solutions like digital payment systems, digital water management systems, and digital distribution of oil and gas that is leading to cities being more sustainable for all our citizens.
Thanks very much, Abhijit, for sharing the remarkable insights. And thanks to all the listeners for joining us today.